it to yourself. Now you're all by yourself, acting like you hate.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop.
Alright.
I'll let you shot it.
Nice. LC5s on 3/4
There you go, man. Nice job. Efficient. Who built this enclosure? Nice work, man.
Thank you.
This is great. Really nice. Is this so it's a 6-door, I guess, because in the back
Yeah,
port.
it's a 1.5 to 1 6-door.
Okay. Very nice work. Do you know your tunings on it?
Yeah, 23 on the rear and 45 on the front.
Okay. Nice job. Okay. Did you build is it steel caged or metal built into it? Yeah. This looks really good. I like it, man.
Give the roof a punch real quick.
The one I get?
Hit it up. The roof.
Oh wow, and there's no break. I mean, that's solid, man. Nice job.
So
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
that's the shell.
Yeah.
2x4 is glued. I doweled them all together.
Okay.
That way they don't come apart.
Yeah.
And then I glued in the seams. I mean,
Yeah, that's solid. Yeah. You don't even have.
built solid.
Yeah, and you utilize your space all the way over. Nice. That looks good.
Last night we were texturing at 2 in the morning. Painted it this morning.
There you go. This morning.
Tuned it before we came here. When I pulled up, I saw you walking. I said,
Oh yeah.
"First demo
Oh
ever."
yeah. First demo. Nice and cold. So what are your amps wired to?
0.7? 0.66.
0.66.
Even my mids.
Okay. Your mids are 0.6. Okay.
It's got 180 amp hour lithium.
Yeah. Nice. It's really good. How's the alternators? What's your alternators?
390 and 270. 390, 270.
390, 270. Okay. Excuse me, sorry. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice.
You did it to yourself. Now you're all by yourself, acting like you hate me. I love you because you made me. You played me to the left. Now there's nobody left to hear your complaining. I'm gone, and all you're hearing is. Nobody near you. It started off great, but who was to know? Love is love, do not be let go. You say it's my fault, okay then I'll go. It's better to know, now it's nobody to. Custody trust, I'll just know and no more. Just went with the flow, found myself on the road. When you went away, all my pain went astray. Like it's a new day, now I have no answer. Love is love, and I can let go. It's my fault, maybe I'll go. It's better to know now it's nobody to argue with. Cause I'm not alone, don't care who you're with. Don't call my phone, or did you forget? You know you're wrong. And you're wrong, and you're wrong.
That's really clean. And it's punchy. Man, I like that.
Those are just the C5s.
And it doesn't
Just
fall
a
off.
few.
That sounds great.